Hello, Chevis viewers. Welcome back to Sandy Home Recipe. Mwaka about Sandy Home Recipe. Then they can show a video. Remember to subscribe. Now I share. Now I like it. No me notification bell no. Say the video be able to Sabeka. To my returning subscribers, thank you so much for your support. May the good Lord bless you all. The say yogurt chocolate ice cream. All ingredients are written in the description box below. Yes, start it. What the 1 cup homemade yogurt? Open so much time here na link in the description box. Half cup milk, 1 tablespoon condensed milk, 1.5 tablespoon unsweet cocoa powder. We are no beating that together. But what the vanilla kakra den ebeka ho. Uda kogu ice cream cup na disposable cup. Wakatas now the koshe freezer for 3 hours. And sana we yi a serve. 3 hours ni do anu we yi na wa serve. If my chosen dey can share video. Remember to subscribe. Now I share. Now I like it. When me notification bell no. Say the video be a better one sabeka. Me na me tasty and it tastes really nice. You will love it if you give it a trial. Now this our chocolate yogurt ice cream. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching.